Hey there, eco-conscious viewers. Welcome back to Green Glamour. Today, we're diving into the world of zero-waste living. If you're looking to reduce your environmental footprint without compromising your lifestyle, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The zero-waste lifestyle. Before we jump into the tips and tricks, let's quickly talk about what zero-waste living actually means. Zero-waste living is all about reducing the amount of waste we produce and sending as little as possible to landfills. It's about making conscious choices to minimize our impact on the planet. Tip 1: Ditch single-use plastics. IP number 1 is a game changer. Ditch those single-use plastics. They're everywhere, from plastic bags to water bottles. Instead, invest in reusable alternatives. Get yourself a sturdy, reusable water bottle and a set of eco-friendly, reusable shopping bags. Small changes can make a huge difference. Tip 2: Composting. Tip number 2 is all about composting. Food waste is a significant contributor to landfills, producing harmful greenhouse gases. Start composting your kitchen scraps and garden waste. It's a fantastic way to create nutrient-rich soil for your plants while minimizing waste. Tip 3: Bulk shopping. Next up is tip number 3: bulk shopping. Buying in bulk not only reduces packaging waste but also saves you money in the long run.